Sometimes ordinary 2D images doesn't contain enough information to make a quality vision inspection system. In that case, we can choose to use 3D, and in this video I will show you a concrete example of using 3D for vision inspection. There are many different 3D sensor technologies, but all of them have in common that they create a 3D point cloud, and this point cloud can be used to find deviations from a surface. In this specific demonstration here, we've chosen to use laser triangulation, and the reason for that is that lasers are very fast, they're very accurate, and they are not very sensitive to different lighting changes. A laser line will be following the contours of this wooden board, and afterwards we can fit a mathematical plane, and from that it makes it very easy to see any deviations from the surface like holes and bumps. So to get a more accurate picture of a wooden board like this and the contours, we can use 3D and create 3D point clouds to find any deviations which we wouldn't be able to see in 2D. So this is the raw data coming out of the camera, so we can see the different laser lines actually here. Already it's a lot more clear that there are some holes in this specific board, but moving on, I'll be showing you how to visualize this even further. So right here we've fitted this mathematical plane and adjusted our coordinate system according to it. And here it's much more clear to see the holes and bumps on this board. And this would make it very easy to afterwards segment these out or classify them into different error regions. We can also see another interesting thing about this board, and that is that it's actually curving slightly. So we see these red areas are actually a little bit higher than the blue areas. So this board isn't entirely flat, it's actually curving slightly. So if you want a more accurate image of something like a wooden board, you can use the 3D sensor to get all the contours and bumps and holes, which you wouldn't be able to do in 2D. If you have any questions, be free to contact JLI Vision.